Xiaomi has quietly expanded its accessory lineup with a new 45-watt mini gallium nitride charger that aims to make fast charging more portable, powerful and affordable. Instead of a bulky charging brick, the company's latest charging accessory uses gallium nitride technology to deliver quick power in a much smaller footprint. Despite its tiny size, Xiaomi's new charger pumps out up to 45 W of power, which is enough to juice up most modern phones quickly. Using GaN tech, Xiaomi has managed to shrink the charging adapter, since the materials run cooler and more efficiently than traditional silicon. The Chinese tech giant's tiny charger is ideal for travel or everyday carry. You get support for universal fast charging standards like PD 3.0, Power Delivery QC 3.0, Quick Charge, and PPS, Programmable Power Supply. This means it works not just with Xiaomi and Redmi phones, but also with many iPhones, Samsung Galaxy models, tablets and even lightweight laptops or portable devices that support higher wattage USB-C charging. The charger's single USB-C port makes it straightforward to use, and the inclusion of the USB-C cable in the box saves buyers from needing to buy one separately. Xiaomi has also built in multiple protection layers, including overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit and over-temperature safeguards, so the charger is designed to keep your device safe while powering up. The brand has released the Xiaomi 45W Mini GaN charger in the Indian market for 1,799 rupees, arriving in a clean white finish. Unlike many lower wattage GaN chargers that don't include a cable, Xiaomi's decision to package a USB-C to USB-C cable adds extra value and convenience for users. This accessory is currently available for purchase via the brand's official website, the official Xiaomi India online store and offline retail outlets.